In this video, we're taking an honest look at Kochava, a powerful mobile attribution and analytics platform designed for brands that need deep insight into user acquisition, and while it delivers extensive tracking, real-time reporting, and strong fraud prevention tools, it's important to understand how it actually performs before relying on it. Kochava stands out for its ability to attribute installs and in-app events across multiple channels with high accuracy, and marketers appreciate its detailed dashboards, flexible integrations, and cross-device measurement, which can be extremely valuable for optimizing ad spend. However, many users note that Kochava comes with a steep learning curve, and setting up events or configuring campaigns can feel complex if you don't already have analytics experience. Pricing is another factor to consider, as advanced features typically fall into paid tiers that may feel heavy for small developers or early-stage apps. While its fraud detection tools are praised for reducing invalid traffic, the broader data privacy landscape means any attribution platform must be used carefully and transparently. Overall, Kochava is a strong choice for serious marketing teams that need granular, enterprise-level analytics, but for simpler apps or limited budgets, it may be more platform than necessary. Stick around and subscribe for more clear, honest tech reviews.